How to use the green screen feature in CapCut on Android. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application CapCut and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on New Project and then click on Allow. So inside the gallery, you should at least have the two videos. One is the video that you want to add the green screen and the other one is the green screen. First of all, select the video in which you want to add the green screen and then click on Add at the bottom. Once the video has been added, now click on Overlay right here. And then once again click on Add Overlay. Select the green screen video. Tap on Add at the bottom right corner. Once the green screen has been added, now what you want to do is swipe left and then click on Remove Background. Tap on Chroma Key. Right here you need to move this icon to the green section. And then click on Intensity. You can adjust this intensity as per your need. And also increase the shadow. Once it is done, click on the stick icon. And there you can see that the green screen lyrics has been successfully added. Likewise, you can add many more green screen to it and you'll be good to go. Now you can click on this export icon at the top right corner and save the video into your gallery. So that's it, and this is simply how you can use the green screen feature on CapCut on Android. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.